Would you like to show everyone how you talk? Hannah, hi baby, can I give you a pet? Can I give you a pet? No, maybe not. How about a cuddle? Do you want a cuddle? Do you want a cuddle? Oh, let's cuddle. You don't want to cuddle? How about kisses? Give me some kisses. Oh, my baby. Oh, it's okay, honey. I just want to pet you. Can I just give you pets? Just give you pets? Just, it's okay, baby. Maybe later? Okay. Maybe later.